Cell in the lymphoid lineage is natural killer cell NKC. These are cytotoxic cell. Okay, so these are the part of Indian immune system. What is Indian immune system? If you recognize the first lecture, Indian immune system is first attack, or you can say that the first defense. For the first attack, so it is a first defense system, like which having a various barrier, that is skin, acidity, etc. So natural killer cells come into the innate immune system. These natural killer cells are present under the skin in large number. They doesn't have antigen specific receptor. I am using the word antigen specific receptors. Okay. But instead of that, they have the surface marker termed as NK1.1. They consist of the cytotoxic granules. Okay, if you see the diagram over here, it consists of the special protein perforin. Cytotoxic granule it also consists of the special protein perforin. It consists of the granzymes proteases. What is the function of natural killer cell? Killing the cell. Okay, so the cell may be infected by virus, bacteria, or it may be the tumor cell. Okay, it means that while killing, it must require to digest the proteins which are present in the infected cell, digest any mini biomolecules which are present in virus and bacteria, and inactivate them. Therefore, the natural killer cell consists of granulozymes, proteases, enzymes, and special protein perforin, and they are termed as a cytotoxic cell. The function of this cell is to kill the infected cell. Second, it can differentiate the cancer cell and tumor cell from the natural cell and start killing that cell. This is also the main function of the natural killer cell. So, how the cell get response? So, the first thing is that what is a macrophage? Macrophage have the pseudopores, and what is function? It kill the bacteria. Phagocytosis is the main function of the macrophage. So, during that system or during that function, the few interferon and cytokines are released by these macrophages, and we have seen in the cells, when we have seen the cells of myeloid and progenitor, what we have seen, they secrete the cytokines, they secrete the histamine. So such type of signals are brought to the NK cell, that's a natural killer cell, and it start working. Second thing is that most of the natural cells which are present, I am using the word natural cells which are present, most of the nucleated cells, they show the particular receptors. You can say that the MHC1, MHC2, as I had told you before also. But the cell which is infected, which is termed as you can also say that it is an antigen containing cell. It is a tumor cell, it is a cancerous cell, it is get infected by some viruses and bacteria. In such type of cell, when it will get infected, there is a down regulation of MHC1 complex and upregulation of MHC2 complex. Okay, the NK cells have two types of receptor. First is activator receptor and second is inhibitor receptors. So, when there is a natural cell having huge number of MHC1 molecule, the inhibitor receptors recognize that MHC1, form the binding, and it will communicate the NK cell that it is a normal cell. You got it? When in case of the infected cell or tumor cell, what happens? There is a down regulation of MHC1 and up regulation of MHC2 molecules. So in this case, the working of the inhibitory receptors is less, but activating receptors is more. More number of activating receptors now get bind to the MHC2. Okay, so now the signal goes that activation of the NK cell, and NK cell start working on this cell. Okay, so in this way, the NK cell can differentiate it into the normal cell, cancer cell, tumor cell, and cell infected with the antigen, using the MHC1 and MHC2 upregulation and downregulation with which receptors? Inhibitor and the activator receptors. Once it has been recognized, for example, we can say that this is a tumor cell or the cell get infected with antigen. When it will get infected with antigen, there is a downregulation of MHC1, upregulation of MHC2. When MHC2 upregulation is over there, the activating receptors get bind to the MHC2 complex in more number and give signal to the NK cell that will get activated. Okay, once the cell will get activated, which is bind to this tumor cell, what happens? It immediately secretes the perforin. Okay, so this perforin form the pores into the cell. Once the pore will form, the NK cell immediately secrete the enzymes, granulozymes and proteases over there into the cell. Which cell? Infected cell. And thus it will start killing that cell. Okay, see, there is no lysis. I am not using the word. This is lysis. Lysis means what? The cell will get lyse and bacteria are released, viruses are released. But here, natural killer cell shows the apoptosis. Means what? By release of proteases, by release of many granulozymes, the release of granulozymes, what happens? It will start breaking all these things. What? The breaking of antigen, then proteins, biomolecules which are present in the cells. And in this way, the natural killer cell works using its special proteins, pore forming, release pore forming proteins, granulozymes, and how it will recognize that is which is the cell is normal and which is the abnormal cell. In this way, the natural killer cells which are comes in innate immune system will work. Do you understand? So, natural, this is the about the natural killer cell.